This is a walkthrough of the Professional Services Division or business unit within our company. So when you look at this business unit, it's independent operating from the software division, and this is more like your ERP reseller or VAR type business model. They are here to help companies get live and thrive on the CIMcloud platform. Their services are optional. They're there if you need them in lieu of you doing all the entire onboarding and self-service and operations on a program, project, and solution level in-house or self-servicing on those. These guys can help you anywhere that you want. The revenue model for this is simple. It's all hourly billings. We only have one product. In this business unit, we have a separate org chart and all separate people in here, and there's only one product, and it's time. When we ship time, we have to bill for it. That is the revenue model, and it's very typical in the professional services arena. If you look at the organization structure, there's major teams here. We basically have sales and client management. That's comprised of client partners. Those are people that are engaged in discussing solutions and scoping them and providing statements of work. Solution architecting, this is a technical team of experienced consultants both on the implementation side and having commercial understanding typically of the business objectives that you're going after. And they can help you come up with solutions that are the best mix of standard product and or customizations and what you can do for implementation. So they are very typically the technical resource that's engaged in getting into detailed scoping and planning to come up with statement of work. We have project management and project consulting. Those are two different functions, but served typically by the same people. Project management is basically helping you plan and organize and keep the trains running on time. So they're doing task management and issue management, communication with stakeholders, and change management, and making sure that the project is, the goals are clear and that there is a plan to execute the goals, and they're keeping all the resources on track doing their parts. Project consulting is typically a reactive thing. They are there to provide support for anyone on your project team or implementers. If they're trying to get tricky things done, they can understand your business side. They have a deep understanding of the CIMcloud platform, so they can bridge the gap for you and tell you best practices or ways to do it. Then we have an entire team that handles customizations. So these other things typically get involved, or project management and consulting could get involved in implementation or ongoing operational or program level support. The customization team is there to basically provide modifications or adaptations that are non-standard on the CIMcloud platform. They have access to customization frameworks that layer over the core product. So they can modify existing features, they can create brand new features, they can do custom design work, they can integrate, they can customize the ERP integration or the types of data or specific fields of data and how it's mapped going back and forth between your ERP system and the CIMcloud platform. So anything that's non-standard, not out-of-the-box product, they can handle it. And then they can also handle support for customizations because, of course, customizations have ongoing costs associated with them. They have to be tested and adapted to new releases that come out of the CIMcloud platform to make sure they're compatible. They can help with that as well. And we've got planners, developers, designers, QA testers, and ERP sync specialists within the customization team. And then we also have business operations, which is shared between the SaaS and Pro Services Division, or the Software and Pro Services Division, that of course handles all the HR, finance, office, and business operating systems and data operations. So that's it for the Pro Services group.